Have you guys noticed that it's starting to get cold outside and crisp in the night, and you guys want to start making s'mores by the fire pit? Well, and the leaves are starting to come down? Well, it's time for fall, which also means it's time for apple picking. So let's go apple picking. You guys are lucky. I live right by an apple orchard. So today we're gonna get some apples. We're gonna get some red ones, some green ones, and some yellow ones. And then we're gonna start working on a drawing of some apples in a basket or in a bowl. I'll see you soon. We are going to draw some apples. First thing, you wanna hold your paper side to side. And you are going to use a pencil. I'm gonna use a marker so you guys can see better, but you're gonna use a pencil. We're going to start out by drawing a big circle in the middle of the page. So everyone draw a big circle. Once you draw one big circle, we're going to draw another big circle. And depending on how much room we have, we're going to draw another circle. So we're going to have 3 circles. After we draw 3 circles, we're going to see how our apples go. Now, sometimes our apples fall over. Sometimes our apples are straight up. So we're going to draw little smiley faces on them. They're very small. So make a little smiley face there. That one actually looks like a frown. This looks like a smile. And then let's add another smile right here. So we have 3 different smiles. Once we add the smiles, we're going to add a little rectangle. So 2 straight lines and a line across. Let's do it again. 2 straight lines and a line across. We have now drawn 3 apples. 1 for each kind of apple that we talked about. Red, green, and yellow. And we have our stems. Now, we're going to add a table. Now, when we add a table, we're going to add a line. We're not going to go through the apples because then you're going to have a line through the apples. We start at the edge of the page, stop when we touch an apple, pretend to go through, start again, pretend, start, pretend, and start. So now we have our apple sitting on the table. The last thing you are going to do is you are going to draw stripes. Starting from the top of the page, go down and touch an apple. Top of the page and go down and touch your apple. Top of the page and down. Top of the page and down. You keep going till you touch your apples. So keep making lines until you touch your apples. Now this one I don't touch an apple, so I touch to the line. Now we are going to take our crayons. You're going to need a red crayon, a green crayon, and a yellow crayon. Let me find my other crayons. Here we go. We are going to color, it doesn't matter which one, let's color yellow first. So take our time, color our apple. Don't scribble scrabble, take your time and color the whole apple. Don't color the stem because we're going to color the stem later. Then you're going to pick a red apple and color it red. And lastly, you're going to do green. Now I still have some white spots, so if I was taking my time, I would get all those white spots. I'm just going fast to show you because I want to make sure that you guys understand what we're doing. So I take my time and do the green. Now, stems are usually brown, so we're going to color our stems brown. And lastly, you're going to make a pattern or color your stripes. You can make them however you'd like. But make sure you start at the top and color all the way down to that line. So if this one's red, the next color is pink. This is pink. Don't make that one pink. Make it another color, a new color. I want to see all different kinds of colors. I don't want you to see the whole thing purple. I want to see all different colors. I'll keep going. You're going to finish the whole thing. And when you're done with this part, the stripes, you're going to color the table one color only. So only one color you're going to color down here. One color. Okay, you're going to take your time and go slow. So when you're finished, your whole picture will be finished. Now, I'm going to post this in Seesaw, and you guys can see the example in there. The example is painted, but you are going to use crayons. You're going to take your time. This is going to take a little while, so it shouldn't go very fast. It should go slow. And then when you're done, have a parent take a picture of your artwork. And then once they take a picture, they can post it into Seesaw so I can see your amazing artwork. I cannot wait to see these apples. I know they're going to be good enough to eat.